Lastly, to fill the hole, I'm going to use this Roots Organic potting soil. And so this is a pre-mix. If you take a look at the consistency, it's very similar to what we just made. But we'll go ahead and fill in the hole. Got it filled in, we'll go ahead and level it out and pack it down. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed the video. What we'll do at the very end is just top dress this with our favorite mulch. We're going to use pine bark because our water in Florida, the pH is quite high, and the pine bark will help balance that out. It'll drop the pH, and that'll be very nice and make this beautiful little avocado tree nice and happy. So thanks again for watching. For more videos, subscribe to our channel, and have a great day. And as always, happy gardening.